What's the meaning of castaway? Castaway. Castaway.
Castaway. Castaway. A castaway is a person who has been stranded or marooned on an island or other remote location, often due to a shipwreck or plane crash. Being a castaway can be a harrowing experience fraught with physical, emotional, and mental challenges. They must learn to survive with limited resources, find food and water, and attempt to signal for rescue. Often they are alone with little hope of being found. Despite the hardships, some castaways have managed to live for years in isolation, demonstrating incredible resilience and resourcefulness.